was really good.
Cheers. Cheers.
And yours is the really smiling, so that's good for the cameras.
All right, and
Spicy.
that's gross.
Oh my god. This
Do we get
Like-
water after this?
How-
Scratch your fingernails. Really?
Oh, yeah. That means I okay. I don't think this is going to be yummy. Me either. I think you'll say yuck. Yuck.
Do you guys know what this is?
No.
Matzo ball.
Matzo ball with a weird orange thing on
It's
it.
called carrot, Max.
It doesn't look like carrot.
Okay, just try it.
Okay. That one.
I kind of liked that.
Yeah, I kind of like it. It's okay. It's not really good.
Yeah.
I like it because this part of it, the matzo ball, kind of tastes like tuna, and I like tuna. I'm not eating it anymore. So.
Yeah, me either. I know what it is, and I do not like it.
I have no idea what it is, but I hope it's
It's gefilte fish.
okay.
What is this actually?
It's called a macaroon.
We have those at our house, right?
For Passover.
Yeah. When you taste it, it just tastes like nuts. But then when you end it, it just tastes like nothing.
Do you guys know what this is?
Matzo ball soup.
Have you
Obviously.
had it before?
Yeah.
We've had it all our lives.
Yeah. Like all Passovers.
It tastes like ice cream with like earth soup on top of it. They look the same. Do they match together? They do. Wait, are you right? Yeah, they're a whole circle. Wait, let's
Taste
blink.
them though. What do they taste like?
Yummy. Yummy. It tastes like all sweet candy. It tastes like candy. So let's eat more, right? I only like the inside. I mean, I don't.
Eat this.
Yes, eat the top.
Or you can just whip each other with it. That's fine.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, here.
Happy Passover.
Happy Passover. Pesach Sameach. Pesach
Sameach.
Sameach.
Ow. Chag Sameach. Chag Sameach.